Hi, baby. Can you say hi, Dada? Can you say hi? Those are your dogs?
Yeah.
Yeah. What? Is you gonna feed your puppy? Nope, you're just gonna throw food over for the puppies, huh? This is why the dogs like coming in here. That's why they like the baby. She's like, somebody come lick my hand. Maggie's over there. She'd lick your hands. Nope, she found a licker. Oh, you want some more cereal? Say hi, Dada. Hi, Dada. She needs to start using silverware, silly girl. You're a silly girl. There's my big puppy. And she's saying, Maggie. Maggie, up here. Okay.